That was really tough. Yeah, this is a real monster. In a huge Thermaltake Full Tower case. It's so big and heavy that repairing it starts even before diagnostics. With trying to carefully lift this beast and put it on the workbench. Hey guys, hello! Look at how huge this computer is! And here's a comparison for you. Look at how small a regular computer case looks compared to a beast like this. Well, of course the client didn't bring me this monster just because of its huge weight. Shortly before this, he had installed a new cooling system and a new power supply himself. After assembly, the computer stopped starting up normally. The computer itself would turn on, the fans would start spinning, but there was no image on the screen, just a black screen. It was with this exact issue that he came to me for diagnostics. The most interesting thing is, once in my workshop, the computer suddenly turned on and showed an image. Maybe during transport, the case moved a bit. The processor slightly shifted its position and contact was temporarily restored. But the computer was still clearly not working right. I ran AIDA64 to check the temperatures and saw anywhere from 103 to 105 degrees on the processor. And that's with a brand new cooling system. I immediately sent the client a voice message and said that his computer had a very serious overheating issue. And the client replies, "Yeah, I know. I didn't apply thermal paste." Well, I think that makes sense. There's the reason. But when I took off the cooling system, it turned out that thermal paste was actually there. So it wasn't about that at all. I continued disassembling the computer and noticed that the 4 screws holding the processor retention bracket were tightened very loosely. They were practically loose. Because of this, the processor wasn't properly secured in the socket. The contact could have been unstable, and the cooling system couldn't provide proper and even pressure. This explained both problems at once: the client's black screen and the processor temperature over 100 degrees. I completely unscrewed all 4 screws, removed the retention bracket, and carefully took out the processor. I checked the processor contacts, carefully inspected the pins in the socket, and made sure that thermal paste hadn't gotten where it shouldn't be. Fortunately, everything turned out to be fine. I installed the processor back, put the retention bracket back in place, and evenly tightened all 4 screws. Not with all my strength, of course, but securely enough so that the bracket wouldn't wobble anymore and the processor was properly fixed. After assembly, the computer started turning on normally. The image appeared consistently, and the critical overheating disappeared. In the end, the problem with this huge Thermaltake turned out not to be the expensive cooling system, not the power supply, and not even the lack of thermal paste. The whole reason was 4 poorly tightened screws. That's why, when building a computer yourself, even such a small mistake can lead to a black screen and a processor temperature of 105 degrees. Fortunately, this beast is working great again.
Ремонт окончен, друзья. Подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки. И до новых встреч. Пока!